had so many silly turnovers that led to easy baskets for them. I mean, we did everything possible to get their head up, and they had their head up.
Yeah.
Second half, I thought, we took care of the ball better. We made them miss finally. We kind of mixed the defenses, zone, man, little triangle and two there. And Stephon was great. I mean, I thought aggressive early out of the gate. I thought he was pretty aggressive all night. We missed a lot of layups with Kyle. I thought Kyle was fabulous. I mean, wow. Not only offensively, but defensively guarding their kid. So he earned his scholarship tonight. He did a good job. But, they all did. I mean, it's hard to get down and home. And it showed me a little something there. Let's get a little spurt again.
Yeah, I mean, you got out in transition again. It just seems like once you were able to get those stops and once you got out in front, it kind of gave you guys a burst of energy and you handled it from there.
Yeah. I mean, they were tough to play. I mean, they kept for most of the night. They hit shots and it's hard to get out in transition when they're hitting shots. But yeah, like you said, we finally made a miss. Got a little run going, a little energy. We didn't look tired anymore. The first half we were looking tired. When they hit shots like that, it just kind of drains you.
Maybe a little out of sync offensively early on, but Stephon, kind of took over when he had to.
Yeah, Stephon carried us early. I mean, we just, if we'd have thrown the ball out of bounds, I think we'd have been up 4 or 6 points first half. But we threw it to them for a layup.
Yeah.
I mean, I think there was 4 or 5 layups we gave them the first half. I mean, that's pretty hard to overcome, and I'm surprised we were that close, really. But Stephon was great early, kind of carried us early when we were really struggling there.
What's the timetable looking on Christian?
He's got to go back and get an x-ray from the Wichita people that originally, see if there's any discrepancy from the first one, if anything happened there. But he's been in a lot of pain. I mean, I saw his face yesterday when he did it. It was in tremendous pain. So we missed his energy tonight. I mean, he's an energy guy. He's point-a-minute guy. He's makes something happen. We missed that first half. We were wanting something to happen there, and it never did.